OLDHAM Ramblers volunteer footpath clearance and maintenance team were out again last Tuesday. When? 30th of September 2025. Where? Brook Lane, Dobcross, Oldham. What? Working on Brook Lane pathway, the unmarked footpath leading onto Delph New Road, and the pathway leading down to Tame Water Court. Clearing paths, strimming, cutting back trees, hedge cutting, and clearing vegetation. Who? 6 volunteers out this week: Ken, Paul, Mike, Kevin, Bob and Keith. A big thank you to all the volunteers, and thank you for watching. I'd like to thank all the volunteers that have helped maintain and keep Oldham's footpaths clear over the last 5 years or so. Volunteers working for walkers. Keep on walking.